Barracuda Island
Barracuda.
and Twin Island in Coron. Ito yung mga pupuntahan namin, guys. Ayan o, diba? Mga island na yan. Yan. Pupuntahan namin lahat yan.
Oh, wow.
Yan. Diba? Ayan o. Lalanding na. Ayan o, pupunta kami dyan. Guys, yan. Kahit doon, pupuntahan namin yan o. Yung mga island na yan. Ayan o, nasa langit na kami. Touch na ng ulap yung airplane namin. Diba? Na ano na natawag doon?
Sakit.
Hindi. Parang cotton candy ang mga ulap. Grabe. Ang ganda ng ulap. Nasa Sea of Clouds na tayo. Sea of Clouds. Ayun na pa. Malapit na kami.
Yan.
Ayan o. Mga ulap.
Stations.
Guys, so ang ganda ng bundok. Yan yung bundok. Ang ganda ng bundok, guys. So, nakakalbo na yung mga bundok dito. Pero maganda. Pena. Bababa na.
Pagbaba natin ang video mo.
Botswana. Time check for your convenience is now 35 minutes past the hour of 10 in the morning. On behalf of the entire Sungo team led by our flight crew, Captain Benino and First Officer Concepcion, and your cabin crew on this flight, we thank you for making Cebu a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all aboard, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying with Cebu. As a last safety precaution, please remain seated and wait for the fastest signal signs to be switched off before setting up.
Okay, ma'am, sir, how are you? Okay, ma'am, sir, welcome to our first stop destination to visit. So we are here now to Kayangan Lake. Okay, so Kayangan is the one of the famous of your itinerary for now. So here we have a rules in regulation. We need to bring our life jacket to a swimming area because our activity for today here is we'll do hiking first, and then picture taking also in the halfway, which is in the building or viewpoint, and before we go down to the lake. Okay? And also the lake, it is a brackish water lake. 70% fresh water and then 30% salt water. So our activity, main activity is swimming. So we need to bring our life jacket, and then the mask and snorkel, it's up to you if you want to bring it. But inside of the lake, we don't have any corals, only the limestone around on the area. It's up to you if you want to bring your mask and snorkel, okay? For the mask and snorkel that you rented, please be careful that one, okay? Because if you lose that one, we have a charge, okay? So you need to always careful that one. And we need to hike at least 367 steps, 163 going up, and then 204 going down to the lake. We stay here 1 hour. 1 hour included the hiking, picture taking, and also swimming. Okay? Because we have more of the area to visit now. Okay? So you can bring your mask and snorkel, camera, and then important things of your belongings. Then the rest you can leave it here in the boat. Safe here because I can't in there stay here. No, sir. It's a lake. Yeah, a lake.
Guys. Ako kuya yung pang profile.
Gamitin.
Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Sexy ah.
Say hi. Bye-bye! Ito yung Kayangan Lake. Babalikan ko ulit to. Balik tayo dito eh. Kasama na natin sila lahat. Ganda.